dishwasher.
No, Cat, you're talking crazy now. Here we go. Now let me tell you something, my feelings weren't hurt. I went outside and I rolled in the dirt. So what could I do? I gotta get a dishwasher too.
I got so dirty that I looked like a hag. Put my clothes in my old mag tag. Put a little powder in and turn the dial. My clothes will be real clean in a while. They're clean.
Dish. Jump over you. You don't get your feelings hurt. My makeup's on you. You need to clean that shirt.
That's
What's
the
your
truth.
news?
Well, one thing's crazy, one thing's great. A dishwasher just won't clean your plate. It'll clean your shirt, Daddy-O.
You know it